Hi creators, welcome back. Guess what I'm trying in this video? You guessed it, another Dutch pour. And man, oh man, oh man, another frustration for me. I have mixed up these beautiful colors. I do feel like I have thinned them out. So I have made progress. I'll give myself credit for that. I've made progress in that I've thinned them out. You can see that it goes around pretty easily in a circle there, okay? So I feel like I'm doing okay with the thinness. I've got that down, but I just don't have the blow dryer thing down. So let's watch and see what I'm gonna do because I've got a surprise for you. I need to analyze what I'm doing wrong, right? I need to analyze. When you watch football, I don't know, maybe with baseball too, but especially with football, when they want to watch a play and they want to analyze, what do they do to it? They show it to everybody in slow-mo, right? So get ready for some slow-mo and let's see what I'm doing wrong. Okay, she goes in. Oh, she hesitates. She hesitates. Little nervous there. Bringing it down, bringing it, okay, a good downward and out. Pretty good on that one, I would say. Angled already, not straight down, but still pretty good. Oh, hesitating. And it's kind of angled. There, angled. It's angled. See that? The nozzle's angled. Don't go in straight down. And angled and high. Angled and too high. Not bringing it down low enough. And then again, when I try again, I don't bring it down low enough, I don't think. And way angled there. See that? Way angled. So the air's not even really hitting the paint. See? Not even hitting the paint. Can't see what I'm doing, but I can see that I'm totally missing the boat there. A little bit of connect. A little bit. Trying, but angled. And at this point, I've already blown it out right there. Okay, now I came down on that one, but see there, angled again. Not much happened. So at this point, I'm extremely frustrated. I'm like, what do I do? Do I just try to put my breath on it? You know? There, I don't even think I did anything. So, see, I don't even get close enough to doing that. I think I'm afraid of laying my cheek in it or something. So I try to do a little bit of breath, blow, whatever you call it, on there. I'm trying to move it. And I didn't put down a base paint. That could be part of it. But I am able to move it. And it just gets worse. Okay, so you can see I've given up there. I'm going to scrape the painting, which, you know, for those of you that have been through this, I know I'm not the only one. Oh, I guess I'm doing an exercise in finger painting now. I don't know. surprised I'm not writing some kind of nasty word in there. But okay, so now I'm just playing with the paint. I think, I'm trying to sort out what the heck it is I need to do. It looks like she's gonna, yep, she's swiping. The defeated swipe. So now I'm laying down some base paint, and I just revert back to a cup pour. Show you the results, but I wasn't happy with that either. I tried to embellish it. Looks pretty good embellished, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward. Oh, I thought I did a pour, but I just did a splash down. I don't know what you call it. Paint toss, splash down. And I think it looks pretty there, even though you can see the black and the gray kind of mix and muddy a little bit. There's still enough of the hot pink, or not the hot pink, but the purple. But I stretch it out, and I'll just show you the next phase of it. Please let me know, my fellow artists, do you ever do this? Like, I just start doodling in the paint. Yeah, and not really sure why, but I do like making little designs in the paint, but it just further kind of muddies it. Okay, so I decided to stretch it out a bit, so there I am, and you can see the paints are moving about pretty good. Do have the white background, so that does help it to move, but um, I think that I have thinned my paints out pretty well. I don't know about adding the gray. I do love the idea of having some silver with the purple, but I think maybe putting the gray in it was a mistake. But I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and fast forward to show you what else I did. I apologize for the lighting and a little bit of a haphazard way I'm going through and showing you the painting. I did put a little bit of glitter on it, and I'm having a really hard time getting it to show up, but you may see it a little bit in here. If this video was helpful for you in any way with showing you how I was misusing the blow dryer, um, to what I ended up doing with the paints, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I am trying to grow my channel. And thanks for joining me. And yeah, just enjoy creating. And I'll see you guys soon.